Hi, welcome to 3D Animation Yagna. I am Autodesk Maya online teacher. Today we shall see how to make a curve dynamic and attach beads to vertices. Okay, let's start. Go to front viewport, create curve tools, third cubic degree curve, use grid snap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, enter, switch on display CV, rename it as input curve. Now go to FX module, enhar, make selected curves dynamic settings, edit reset settings, make curves dynamic. You can see groups being formed in the outliner. We gave input curve and it has given as dynamic curve, which we can name it as output curve. This is the one we are going to use, so input curve can be hidden. Display CV on for output curve. Put this input curve group under output curve group. Now select the output curve, create curve info node for output curve. In the Mel script, arc len -ch1, enter. You can see the curve info 1 is being created. Go to attribute editor, select curve info tab. You will see the control points that are being created. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 control points are there. Now create beads to attach them to control points. Super ellipse under the inputs, in radius 0.5 and ellipse 0 is 3.5, divisions 5. Now rename it as B1. We need 7 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now go to Windows, General Editors, Connection Editor. Bring the beads in the right side. Open the translations. Open all the translations. We need to see the XYZ of every translation. Now select the output curve. Go to attribute editor and select the curve info. Bring the curve info attribute in the left side of the connection editor. Open the control points. Now connect control point 0 x value to bead translation x. Select control point, then translation x. Control point, that is CPX, CPY, translation y, CPZ, translation z, like that for every other control points to beads. slowly do that, otherwise it may go mistake. Yes, we got it connected. Close it. Now we can see all beads are attached to the vertices in the curve. Now go to follicle, attribute editor, choose in the point cloud base, go to add system shape, switch on no stretch, and start curve point 1. Now select the follicle, it's already selected. We are going to keyframe, translation X, key selected at first frame, and then at 15th frame move it to 4, again key 8, and 30th frame back to 0, key 8. Now go to animation editor's graph editor, change the interpolation to spline, curve post infinity cycle, you can see it is cycled. Now rewind it and play it and see. So this is the effect we want. This is because the stiff curve which we created in the beginning has become dynamic. So when we keyframe to the follicle, it is moving. It is with dynamic effect. So now if you feel it is not aligning along the curve, the beads, now rewind it, go to rigging module, select the output curve and bead and straight in. Do the same thing for other beads also. Output curve, bead, press G in the keyboard, it will repeat the last option. Now you will see the change. It is aligning, rotating along with the curve, angle of the curve. Okay. Now you need to give shader for it. Add node. Increase the metalness. Go to hyper shader, select the beads, apply assign material to selection, create light, scale it, switch off the normalize, render and see. Okay guys, that's it for today. You can visit my website 3danimationengineer.com to know more about my online classes and my works. Please subscribe my channel to see more videos on Maya software. Thanks for being with me. Cheers.